Today my dinner is pretty late for the dinner time. It's around 9 p.m. and I'm on my way to have a fried chicken to go. One of the popular chicken franchise in Korea called the BBQ. And BBQ is very famous for the fried chicken, so I'm gonna have it to go. So delivery fee in Korea is very expensive. It's around 3,000 or 4,000. And if you pick it up in person, you can get like 3,000 won discount. So that's why I'm heading to the BBQ. Because it's very close. It's like 5 minutes away from where I live. And I just got an alarm that my order is ready. So by the way, I live in Busan. So this is my neighborhood. It's very peaceful. There are not many people. So it's very calm. If you ever been to Seoul, maybe you know how insanely busy the Seoul is. But compared to Seoul, Busan is very peaceful and there are not many people in Busan. So I love my city. And let's see what I got. This is a corn ribs, which is very popular. It's like a new menu, but it's been very viral on the Instagram. And this is a fried chicken, which is a main character of today. I'm very excited. This is a like a yangnyeom sauce. It's a very barbecue seasoning sauce. You should order it when you have a fried chicken in Korea. It's very essential. So this is a fried chicken. It's very crispy and very tender. It's pretty spicy. I like it. Oh yeah, I need a plate for the sauce. Yeah. I got a plate for the sauce. I'm curious about the corn because I haven't tried it before. It's like a new menu, so I wanted to try that. But today is a time for that. So it looks very delicious and it looks very juicy, doesn't it? So let me try it. It's just a corn. I think I need a sauce. Yeah. Oh yeah. I have to put the sauce into this like paper bag. What is it called? And I have to shake it. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, I think it looks a lot better. It looks a lot more delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Oh wow. It's a lot better than eating just as it is. It's really good. If like any of you watching this video or foreigner, do you like Korea? Like, I love my country, and I have a lot of foreign friends, and a lot of them like K-pop. So I know that outside of Korea, like K-pop is very being popular over time. And thank you for the love towards Korea. I really appreciate it. It's very delicious. I like the corn. It's a lot better than I thought. It's a lot sweeter than I thought it would be. It's a lot more like savory than I thought it would be. And it's just really good. The next bite.